Hey everyone, and welcome back to Renovation Revelations. Today we're doing part 2 of piecing it together. Our main focus is going to be the porch, which is coming together on the back side of the museum, brick by limestone brick. There's also a couple other projects in the works today. Let's go check it out.
The first change we notice on the front is no more patchwork paint. A fresh coat of paint is making the little house glow. The new paint is the same color as the original, but the change seems dramatic when compared to the previous aged color shown on the left.
Big changes are happening in the interior as well. Exhibits can't be seen without proper lighting, so the rooms have received upgraded lighting. Good lighting is necessary outside too, so new lamp posts are being placed near the location for the back porch. These improvements will definitely illuminate the historical value of the O. Henry House for many years to come.
There is also fresh evidence of a concrete mixer showing up in our absence. This slab is ready and waiting for the new HVAC system. And here is the rebar we mentioned in our last episode. The steel rebar provides strength to a concrete structure and distributes weight, with the aim that any cracking that occurs doesn't result in structural damage.
These limestone bricks will serve to beautify our strong, but not always so attractive, concrete. We soon find this little mixer hard at work making the mortar that will hold the limestone bricks in place. Mortar mix is a critically important building component that must be combined thoroughly. It is the bonding material between bricks, concrete block, stone, and many other masonry materials. Masons must keep the ratios of sand, cement, and lime correct, and be very consistent with their mixing so that each batch is the same as the last. Improper mixing can cause problems with bonding and strength capabilities of the mortar mix. We want these stones to stay in place, so these pros keep moving and keep the mixture right.
There is a lot more mixing to be done here, so we are leaving these masons to their work. Check back soon to see how some cherished objects in the O. Henry collections are getting some restoration of their own.
I'm Rebecca Tasker.
And I'm Wendi Laws.
We'll catch you guys next time on Renovation Revelations.